Yes, yeah. Good evening, dear students. Today I am going to explain first PUC Math Revision Class 15. In this, I am going to explain linear inequalities. The topic is linear inequalities. In this, definitely they will get 2 marks question and 5 marks question. No doubt in that. They are going to ask one 2 marks question and one 5 marks. So easily you can answer the question 2 marks and 5 marks here. Very easy to answer here. Just I will explain. Questions are simple here. My dear students, so I am going to explain simple questions. You can follow this. So I will explain very few questions, around 10-15 questions. After that again I will revise the basic questions also. See that when they are given the simple questions also we can discuss the inequalities. Always in inequality solutions are infinite. In inequalities solutions are infinite. In equation means solutions are finite. Remember that. Equation means solutions are finite. Inequality means solutions are infinite. For example, you can see here, or I will explain here before solving the given problems also. What are 2 marks questions here. For example, simple question. They are given 30x less than 200. For example, 30x less than 200 is given. So when they are given, I am telling an example here, 30x less than 200 is given. Then they will ask, suppose here x is a natural number, what's your answer? You can see here I can write x less than 200 by 30 I can write. So 0, 0 cancel, 20 by 3. That means x less than, it comes here 6, 2 by 3. X less than 6, 2 by 3 it comes, correct. So suppose here doubt, what about x is a real number or natural number? Suppose case 1, suppose x is a natural number. When they are talking x is a natural number, your answer less than 6, 2 by 3, natural numbers will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 also your answer. So these are your answers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. X belongs to n, since less than 6, 2 by 3. So your answer x value should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Suppose in this problem, they are saying x is an integer. X belongs to z, x is an integer. When they are saying x is integer, then your answer will become left of 6, all integers it comes. So in this case the solutions that comes and so on I can write minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. I can write all up to 6 I can write 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this and so on here. This is solution set when x is integer. And so on. Left, I can go up to how many integers you can write this. Like this, we get the solution minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is when x is an integer, this is a solution. X is a natural number, this is a solution. They didn't mention natural number or integer. Since they are not mentioned anything, means consider as a real number. Suppose the third case, suppose x is a real number. When x is a real number, your answer should be x less than 6 to 20 by 3, that's all. I can write 20 by 3. Sir, how to write your answer? Left of 20 by 3 means, so your answer should be minus, you can solutions that I can write, x belongs to minus infinity to 20 by 3. Interval form belongs to this when x is the real number. So like this we can discuss. Just to understand, I have explained one simple problem. That way we can discuss. So they will say integer, the natural number or real number, that you should see what they are asking in the given problem. That is important. What they are asking given, that is important. Now see this problem. Solve the inequality. They are given solve the inequality. Solve the inequality 2x minus 1 by 3 greater than or equal to 3x minus 2 by 4 minus 2 minus x by 5. Just look into this problem. So in this problem, you can see how to solve this problem. You can observe here now. In this problem, what I am going to explain here, 2 marks was this one. Solve the inequality 2x minus 1 by 3. Now you can see here, what I will do now here. So I can take this one 2x minus 1 by 3 to simplify. 2x minus 1 by 3 greater than or equal to take LCM this one. You will get 5 into 3x minus 2 minus 4 into 2 minus, because LCM is 20. 20 is LCM, 4, 5 is 20. Do the LCM now, you can simplify. This is 2 minus x. If I simplify 2x minus, I can do this 2x minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3 greater than or equal to, multiply this 15x minus 10 minus 8 plus 4x by 20. Thus you simplify this. So what I will do now, if I do the simplification, I can do simplification also here. 2x minus 1 by 3 greater than or equal to 15x 4x 19x. 19x minus 18 by 20. We can do cross multiplication, multiply cross multiplication. If we do cross 20 into 2x minus 1, 20 into 2x minus 1 greater than or equal to, to write properly, this is greater than or equal. Greater than or equal, I can write 3 into 19x minus 18. So you multiply, this is 40x minus 20. 40 is greater than or equal to 57x. You can write 57x minus 54. You can transfer one side, any one side you can transfer this. If we transfer this side, 40x minus 57x, you can transfer the values here. You will get this one, you can see it 40x minus 57x. 40x minus 57x greater than or equal. Right, be careful, this is 57 greater than or equal to 20, this is 20 minus 54. Now you can see here, I am going to explain here, 40x minus 17x greater than or equal to, you will get minus, you can see here 20 minus 54. That you can check here. It will be 34, right? Minus 34. Inequal, both sides have negative. How to eliminate negative? If you multiply negative on both the sides, greater than will become less than. You will write 17x less than or equal to 34. Divide with 17. X less than or equal to 2. Here in the given problem, they told for real, solve for real x. See, they told for solve for, this is actually, they didn't mention here. The meaning is they are not mentioned means you should solve for real x only. X is a real number. Where they are not mentioned anything means consider as a real number. X less than or equal to 2. So left of 2 means your solution is x belongs to minus infinity comma 2. That is your answer. X belongs to minus infinity comma 2. X belongs to minus infinity comma 2 is your answer. They are asking very simple questions. Please observe here. Very simple to answer these questions. Now solve. 4x plus 3 less than 6x plus 7. 4x plus 3 less than 6x plus 7. So they are asking to simplify this. I can transfer this to any one side. 4x minus 6x less than 7 minus 3. This will come minus 2x less than 4. Now you can see here, if I multiply with if I divide with minus 2 both the side, divide with minus 2. If I divide by minus 2x by minus 2, this is 4 by minus 2, then less than will become greater than. So I can eliminate here. Then you can see here, I can eliminate minus 2. This is minus 2 and I can eliminate here. X greater than minus 2 it comes. Correct, it will be 2 times minus 2 it comes. Is clear? The symbol will change. You are multiplying that, x less than will become greater than. X greater than minus 2. So they didn't mention here. Greater than minus 2. So if they mention natural number, that means you will get answer is After you will get 1, 2, 3 and so on, greater than minus 2 means. But they didn't any mention integers, anything, they didn't mention. If they say integers greater than minus 2, you will get minus 1, 0, minus, it comes minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. But you only here they are given like this. I can write solution set x belongs to minus 2 to infinity. Minus 2 to infinity I can write. Since they are not mentioned, specifically if they mention set, according to that, you should write your answer. Minus 2 comma infinity. See the next one. The marks obtained by a student of a class 11 in first and second terminal examinations are 62 and 48 respectively. Find the minimum marks he should get in the annual examination to have an average at least 60 marks. So you can think average at least 60 marks. Let x be the marks obtained by a student in the annual examination. You can consider. Find the minimum marks he should get in annual examination to have an average at least 60 marks. Correct. You can consider x be the marks obtained by a student in the annual examination. Let x be the marks obtained. Let x be the marks obtained Let x be the marks obtained by student in the annual examination. By student in the annual examination. Annual examination. I have taken. But they told here the average of all these three. At least 60 marks. That means I can write 62 plus 48 plus x. By average means 3 subjects by 3. So greater than or equal at least 60. At least means either 60 or more than 60. At least 60 greater than or equal to 60. Then you can add this one 62 plus 48 110 plus x greater than or equal to 180. Do the cross multiplication. Greater than or equal to 180. X greater than or equal to 180 minus 110. So it will be x greater than or equal to 70. 110. X greater than or equal to 70. That means the meaning here, the student should obtain a minimum 70 marks to get an average of at least 60 marks. There are to get an average, find the minimum marks to obtain. The minimum marks you should get 70. Correct. The student must obtain a minimum of 70 marks. The student must obtain a minimum of 70 marks. That you will find an answer. This is 70. You can write minimum marks is equal to 70. The conclusion I can write minimum marks you should get 70. There are what the minimum marks you should obtain to get at least 60 marks means minimum marks is equal to 70. Simple problem, important one. See the fourth one now. Fourth one. Solve 3x minus 2 less than 2x plus 1. Show the graph of the solution on number line. Show the graph solution on number line. The topic is simple. It takes only another 15-20 minutes. Something Manasa is asking should be including to right. Yeah, I will check that 1 minute. Something you're asking, I will verify that. The previous problem you're asking, I think. Or less than or equal to 2. Yeah, you are right, correct. Here equality is there. Since equality is there here, correct. That's true, Manasa. What you told that is true. I should include 2 also here because equality is here. I should write here closed interval. Perfect. Minus infinity comma 2. I should include 2 also. Minus including 2 because equality is there. Minus infinity comma 2. Perfect. Good. Here no equality, excluding minus 2. Here what you told, that is right. Correct. Then fine. See now. Solve 3x minus 2 less than 2x plus 1. Show the graph of the solution on number line. This was a simple problem you see here. How to solve this? 3x minus less than 2x plus 1 on number line. Show the graph of number line. When I have taken like this, you can write 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2 less than 2x plus 1. If I transfer this one, 3x minus 2x less than 1 plus 2. So you will get x less than 3. When they are asking number line, you draw the number line. Minus infinity plus infinity I can write. Plus infinity I can write. 3 means again I can mark the number 0, 1, 2, 3. This is a number real line, number line 4, and here I can write minus 1. Just again to get an idea, minus 1, minus 2. They are asking left of 3. So when they are asking left of 3, I can write like this, including 3. Not sorry, excluding 3. Including 3 I can't consider, right? Because excluding 3, left I can write like this, I can write like this. Some people they will say like this also, they will mark down like this. From 3 to left of 3. I am showing the number line. Left of 3 you can consider everything. Excluding 3. If equality is there, including 3 I can consider. I can also write like this. The line I can also write like the left of 3. Left of, on the number line I can write like this. Or I can also, so this I can write like this also. So this is also correct. Any one method. I can write like this. So this is also correct. I can write above like this or like this. Both are correct. Right. This is the number line representation. That's all. Next one. Solve 7x plus 1 less than or equal to 4x plus 5 and repeated solution graphically on the number line. They are asking graphically on the number line. Now you can see again 7x plus 1. You can write 7x plus 1 less than or equal to 4x plus 5. Transfer one side. 7x minus 4x less than or equal to 5 minus 1. Variables one side. You will get 3x. 7x minus 4x. 3x less than or equal to 5 minus 1, 4. X less than or equal to 4 by 3. I got x less than 4 by 3. We got 4 by 3, including 4 by 3 here. Including 4 by 3. So how to represent the number line? You can think about it. When you are drawing the number line, be careful now. I am representing number line. Infinity to infinity. This is because it goes minus plus. This is minus infinity. Plus infinity. I can take it here. The numbers, I can put the numbers here. This is 0. I can write 1, 2, like minus 1, minus 2. They told 4 by 3 means 1 point something between 1 and 2. So roughly I will tell you here, suppose if I take this is 2. Roughly here this will be 4 by 3. Because 1 point something. They told including that. So including this less than of this. X less than or equal to. So I can represent like this. Left of that. Including that. You can see previous one excluding. Here including means I can bubble this, right? Including this 4 by 3. Including this 4 by 3. In the previous one you see the problem. They are excluding 3. Here excluding 3. Here I am not including 3. Here excluding 3. Empty circle. Here you can see the circle. You can You can shade the circle. So like this we got on the number line. I hope you understood this graphically on the number line. So when they are asking on the number line, both you observe here. One of the questions they are asking on the number line always. Now see the sixth problem, it is not in your textbook, that model is there. In your textbook they are given one problem more than, less than, like that. To understand I am doing this problem. If we do that, this type of question if they ask, you are able to solve this. If they ask this problem related to 1 or 2, 3 problems are there, easily you can solve that. If you solve this problem, easily you can solve other 2 problems. You can solve other 2 problems. Now you can observe here. Obtain all pairs of consecutive odd natural numbers such that in each pair both are more than 50 and the sum is less than 120. They are telling less than 120. Let x be the smaller of the 2 consecutive odd positive integers. They told obtain all pairs of consecutive odd natural numbers such that each pair both are more than 50 and their sum is less than 120. You can consider the odd consecutive natural number, let x comma x plus 2. Because the odd consecutive odd natural numbers, so for example, you take 1 and 3, difference will be 2. 3 and 5, difference will be 2. Excuse me. When they are talking about consecutive odd natural numbers, difference will be 2. X comma x plus 2 be the 2 consecutive odd natural numbers. Be the 2 consecutive odd natural numbers. Odd natural numbers. I have taken be the 2 consecutive odd natural numbers. They told here, what they are saying here, each number is more than 50. Correct, the more than 50, that means here, because both are integers and larger than 50, more than 50 means the meaning x is 50, right? The meaning is given x is greater than 50. X is greater than 50 is given. And the sum is less than 120. Given that sum is less than 120, x plus 2 less than 120. You can take the sum is less than 120. X plus 2 less than 120. If we take this one, you will get 2x less than, you will get 120 minus 2, 118. So x less than or, you can see x less than not equal, sorry, only less than only. X less than 59. Correct? X value should be less than 59. That means you can see, we know here this is 1 here, this is 2, from 1 into 2. So I have written here from 1 into 2. From 1 into, if we take here, x is more than 50, less than 59 means I can write here x less than, that means you can write here more than 50, less than 59. So between I can write 50 less than x less than 59, correct? I can combine this. 50 less than x less than 15. They are saying on consecutive odd natural numbers. Between odd consecutive numbers, you will get 51. Correct? You will get always 51. It comes, right? You can see what are the natural numbers you will get. X can take the values. What x can take the values? So x can take the values here. X is equal to, I can write 51 and I can write 53 because odd natural numbers. X can take odd natural numbers, right? 51, 53, I can take it 55, 57. I can consider like this between. These are the we will get this one, right? These are the possible numbers we will get. Correct? These are x values. So what are the required order? They are asking here all pairs they are asking. Following this, I can write now 51 comma 53 and 53 comma 55. These are the x values. 53 comma 55. 53, be careful when you are writing here. 53 comma 55 and 55 comma 57 and 57 comma 59. Don't confuse, sir, why have taken 59? They are not given. They are given excluding 59. Why have taken? But they told this is x value. This is x plus 2 value. This is x plus 2 value. 59 is x plus 2 value. So these are the required ordered pairs. That is the required ordered pairs. We have the required ordered pairs. I hope you understand this model is important. Sometimes instead of more than, they may say less than 120, like that. This is given less than 120. Sometimes they may say more than 120. Symbol will change. Should be careful in doing. Next, solve the inequality. 2x minus 5 greater than 1 minus 5x and represent the solution graphically on the number line. Graphically on the number line. Solve the inequality. 2x minus 5 greater than 1 minus 5x and represent the solution graphically on the number line. So you take that. Just you take the equation 2x minus 5 greater than 1 minus 5x. First you simplify. 2x plus 5x. Transfer this minus 5 this side plus 5x. 1 plus 5. It will be 7x greater than 6. So x greater than 6 by 7. Just verify what I have done that. Transfer variables one side, numbers one side. 7x greater than 6. X greater than 6 by 7. They are asking to represent on the number line. When they are asking on the number line, you draw the number line. You draw the number line. You can write this is minus infinity. I can write. So just you remember represent this is minus infinity. This is plus infinity. Real line. They are asking 6 by 7. They didn't mention means x is a real number. Let it be 6 by 7 means I can write 0 here. I can write 1 and 2 and minus 1 and minus 2. 6 by 7 means between 0 and 1. Roughly I can consider 6 by 7 is here. This is excluding this. X I can write this side. Like this. Left of 6. Sorry, I written wrong here. You see, greater than 6 by 7. See, be careful. Greater than 6 by 7 means I should go like this. Greater than 6 by 7. I can consider number line. Even if you want solution, I can write x belongs to, I can write 6 by 7 comma infinity. Interval form if you want. I can write 6 by 7 comma infinity. I can't include 6 by 7. Why? Because this is excluding 6 by 7. 6 by 7 comma infinity. That will be 6 by 7 comma infinity, open interval. This is our answer, right, on the number line. Definitely they are going to ask this type of questions for 2 marks. Write the solution set of minus always greater than 30. In this problem, they may ask x is an int, x belongs to natural number, and second case they must x is an integer, z, or some of them write I. 2 cases we should solve this problem. X is a natural number or x is an integer. 2 cases we have. Both the cases we are going to solve this problem. 2 cases, case 1, case 2. We are going to solve this. See the case 1. First, minus 12x greater than 30. You take the given one, minus 12x greater than 30. Then you simplify this one, x greater than, you can write 30 by, because negative is there. If you multiply with minus 12, divide with minus, so this one here, you can see, this is given one, you divide with minus 12, or if you divide with the negative minus 12, greater than will become less than. Correct, that is the reason I am telling you, otherwise you will write minus x 30 by 12. You write like this, divide by 12. If we multiply the negative on both sides, this will become x less than minus 30 by 12. Okay, this will be 5 by 2. X less than minus 5 by 2. This is x less than minus 5 by 2. But the case 1, you can observe here, when they are asking case 1, x is a natural number. When x is a natural number, left of minus 5 by 2, there is no natural number. There is no natural number, so there is no solution here. Understood? There is no natural number less than 5 by 2. Correct? There is no natural number less than minus 5 by 2. If you want, you can write there is no natural number less than minus 5 by 2. That means your answer is here, therefore no solution. No solution. Case 2. X is an integer. Integer means you will get infinite values. Minus 5 by minus 2.5. You will get infinite values, right? Left of minus 5 by 2. Suppose the second case. They told x belongs to z. Minus 5 minus 2.5 left of minus 2.5. Automatically we will get the integers are the solution set here. In this case, the solution set I can write solution set is set of and so on. I can write the values. I can write minus 5, minus 4, minus 3 and so on. Because integer left of minus 5 by 2, minus 2.5, and I consider we will get minus 5, minus 4, minus 3 and so on, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3. It comes like this. This is the solution set. Since x is an integer, should be careful, integer like this, right? Suppose they didn't mention integer or natural number. Your answer is minus infinity to minus less than minus 5 by 2 means your answer is, let's say, real number minus infinity minus 5 by 2 open interval. X belongs to minus infinity minus 5 by 2 if x is a real number. Ninth one. See the ninth problem. So solve 3 into 2x minus 5 minus 7 greater than or equal to 9 into x minus 5. Just expand the bracket. You will get 6x minus 15 minus 7 greater than or equal to, I can write 9x minus 45. Just multiply. You can see here, like any one side I can draw answer. 6x minus 9x greater than or equal to this minus 9x, and this is minus 15 minus 7 minus 22 greater than or equal to minus 45. 6x minus 9x. See here, this is 6x minus 9x. It will be minus 3x greater than or equal to minus 22 transfer this side. 22 minus 45. It will be minus 3x greater than or equal to, it comes minus 23. Correct. Minus 23. It comes minus 23. When I simplify, right? Should be careful when you are simplifying here, right? Now you can see here minus 3x greater than or equal to, multiply the negative, it will become 3x less than or equal to 23. So x less than or equal to 23 by 3. That will be your answer, right? X less than or equal to 23 by 3, it comes x less than or equal to 23 by 3. X less than or equal to 23 by 3. So your answer will come, that's all. They didn't mention anything here. Natural number or something they are not mentioned. If they mention according to that, I can do this. Less than 20 by 3. For example, correct. Depend upon. For example, they are given x is a natural number. I'm telling, suppose x is a natural number. When x is a natural number, your answer is, this is, you get 7 point something, you will get x is equal to, the solution set I can write, x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 I can write, and 7 also I can write. So these are the numbers, finite. The solution set is finite here. Suppose x is a, the given x is a real number, then your answer solution set is x belongs to minus infinity, 23 by 3, including that value. The natural number, left of 23 by 3 I have taken up to 7, it comes. This is 7. The problem they didn't mention. Sir, I have doubt, they didn't mention why I have taken natural number. If they have given, I am telling about that. Suppose if they are not mentioned, your answer should be real number only. If they, since they are not mentioned anything here, consider answer second case only always. The given you should discuss, otherwise consider second case only. When they are not mentioned anything, consider it is a real number, you can solve that. Now, solve 3x plus 2y greater than 6 graphically. After that, I will explain 3-4 problems related to 5 marks. That will be enough. On 5 marks question, definitely they are going to ask in this. Definitely they are going to ask one 5 marks question, no doubt in that. Now you can see here. Now, solve 3x plus 2y greater than 6 graphically. 3x greater than 6 graphically they are asking. Solve 3x plus 2y 6 graphically. When they are asking graphically, first you draw the line 3x plus 2y equal to 6. Since equality is not there, you should draw dotted line, broken line. If equality is there, you can draw dark line. You take 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. First you can consider 3x plus 2y equal to 6, you can consider to draw the line. So what I will do now here, to draw the line perfectly, to draw the line, I can accept here. So now here to draw the line, first we will draw here 3x plus 2y equal to 6 means no. X-axis and y-axis you can consider. This is our reason I have taken. You can see here to draw this line, I put x equal to 0, y is equal to 3, right? And y equal to 0, I am taking points on axis. When y equal to x is equal to 2. So what the points you will get here? 0, 3. And here you get the point 2, 0. Be careful, 2, 0. 0, 3, 2, 0 will get the points. So here, since the given equality is not there, you should draw the dotted line. 0, 3, 2, 0, I can keep the points here. I can draw the dotted line. Dotted line, this one I can mark here. So this I can write here. This is 0, 3. This point is 2, 0. This is rough diagram I have drawn. But you should draw perfectly in the graph. Here graphically they are asking. You can show it here, this one you can see. For 2 marks you can show like this. For 5 marks you should do on the graph sheet only. 2, 0, 0, 3 point I have taken, right? This point is I have taken 0, 3, 2, 0. 0, 3, 2, 0, correct? This is why, because dotted line, the reason dotted line I have taken, equality is not there, broken line you should draw. Now after that, the solution region above the line or below the line, upper half or lower half, how to decide? Use origin. One side is origin, other side is no origin. So this is origin side, other side is without origin, right? Now you can verify. You take the given inequality, 3x plus 2y. Thus you can consider the given inequality, 3x plus 2y greater than 6. Substitute origin. You substitute in the origin here, 3 into 0, 2 into 0 greater than 6. It comes 0 greater than 6. 0 greater than 6 is false, we know that, right? 0 greater than 6 we got here. When I have taken here, I got 0 greater than 6. From this statement, 3 into 0 I have taken 0 greater than 6. Because this is implies we got 0 greater, but this is false. That means the required solution region doesn't have origin other than the origin side. Other means like this I can mark above the upper half. This is solution region. You can mark like this. So this is solution region above the line. Above the line, upper half will be the solution region. I hope you understood this, right? Next you write above the line. That's all. And the points The solution is above the line, excluding the points on the line. Dotted line, you are not including. You can, the shaded is the solution region, you can write. The shaded region is the solution region, excluding the points on the line. So that you can write. The shaded region. The shaded region is the solution region. Is the solution region. The shaded region is the solution region. The shaded region is the shaded region is the solution region. Excluding the points on the line. Excluding the points on the line. So that will be our answer. Now coming to 5 marks questions, I am going to explain the 5 marks questions now. See, this is a 5 marks question, only 3-4 I can explain, then easy to solve that. I am going to explain 3 to 4 questions using that, you can solve that. That will be easy questions I can write, I will explain that. Now you can see here. Solve the following system of inequality graphically. 5x plus 4y less than or equal to 40, x greater than or equal to 2, y greater than or equal to 3. I can consider this one right. You can see when I have taken this one. Okay. See, solve the following system of inequality graphically. 5x plus 4y less than or equal to 40, x greater than or equal to y greater than or equal to 3. Now you take the first equation, I can write 5x plus 4y greater less than or equal to 40. So here to write this one equal, including this one, the points including on the line you can consider 5x plus less than or equal to 40. I will take here 5x plus 4y is equal to 40. So you take the points on the axis x equal to 0, then x equal to y is equal to 10, right? X, y is equal to 10, y equal to 0, x is equal to 8. You can simplify here, right? The points you will get here 0, 10 and 8, 0 related to the given inequality. And I will verify origin. I told always using origin we can decide either towards origin side, other side of the origin I can decide. So that will be simple. Always you can consider the inequality 5x plus 4y less than or equal to 40. Substitute origin I can write 5 into 0, 4 into 0 less than or equal to 40. If we simplify, it comes 0 less than 40. This is true. That means solution region towards the origin side. Since it is true, the solution region towards the origin side, I can represent that. Now if I see here what I am doing now, I will write the graph here, I can write so x-axis and y-axis I have taken here, origin side. When they are given here 0, 10, 8, 0, I am doing rough diagram only here, but you should do perfectly in the graph sheet. There you should write scale also, you should write. There I am doing here 8, 0 and 0, 10. You can see here, I can write like this will be, the point will be here. Remember, this point is 0, 10 and this point is 8, 0. Because here why I have written like this why I have drawn the dark line, because equality is there. In the previous problem, there is no equality total line. I have written like this. Now, since when substituted origin, we got to true means the solution is towards origin side. It comes like this toward this side. The origin side, it comes solution region. Towards below the line. Below line, because this is lower half. Lower half represents the solution of the given inequality. But at the same time, x greater than or equal to y greater than or equal to 3. I can consider y greater than or equal to means I can draw the line here. So for example, this is 10, y equal to 3. Somewhere I can write this is y equal to 3. You take this is 3. This point is y equal to 3. This point you can consider 0, 3. Y equal to 3. When I take this 0, 1, 2, 3, I will take a rough diagram. This is rough diagram. But in the graph sheet, you should do perfect. Y equal to more than 3. Including that is the reason I have written dark line, including 3. Here I can represent the solution region above the line. They told above the line. Above the line they are asking. Again same thing, x greater than or equal to 2. So for example, I can also write here, you can see x greater than or equal to, for example, here I have written 1. Here I can write like this. I can write this is 2. The line I am telling x greater than or equal to, they are saying here. See, I will write here. When I have taken the numbers, when I have drawn here, you see here the values. For example, if you take it x value 2 or more than 2, 2 or more than 2, they are saying here 2 or more than 2. X value 2, if we substitute also x value 2 here, for example, to verify x value, if we substitute 2 here, this is 10, you will get 30, you will get y is equal to 30 by 4. 7.7, you will get this side only it comes here. Why? Because I am telling this point, if you want, you can find this point of intersection if you want. 3 when y is equal to 3, 12, 40 minus 12, it will be 28, 28 by 5, 28 by 5 point something, it comes this point, toward this side, here, 20, will give, why? Because I am telling this point 2, I will get like this, for example, I have drawn like this. See the vertical line, be careful here. Let it be this vertical line I got in the graph sheet, I got like this. For example, this is 2, this is 1. Like this, we draw like this. They told greater than or equal to means towards right side. When towards right side, I can represent like this. So finally, common part will come this side, only this is the common part. Correct? That is our solution region. This triangle. Now I have taken rough diagram. You should draw perfectly this. Between the shaded region is the solution, including the points on the lines. 5 marks problem. You should write scale also. Definitely should write scale on x-axis and y-axis. That is important. You can write here. The scale you should represent always in the graph sheet on x-axis. Correct. How you can write on x-axis? You can write on x-axis 1 centimeter is equal. You can write 1 centimeter equal to 10 units. Like that. But I have taken on scale on x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. I have taken like this. On y-axis. On y-axis, you should write the scale on the graph sheet. On y-axis, 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. I have taken as 1 unit. Your choice how you are taking the measurement. You should represent here. This is 1 unit. 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. You should write all this on the graph sheet. Now you can write the shaded region is the solution region, including the points on the lines. That's the conclusion. The shaded region is the solution region. The shaded region is the solution region. The shaded region is the shaded region is the solution region. Is the solution region. Is the solution region, including the points on the lines. Including the points on the lines. Why? Because all equalities is there, equal. For all the 3 inequalities, including that number is there. The shaded region is the solution region, including the points on the line. Try to understand my handwriting here. Including the points on the line. This is including points on the line. Including points on the line. On the lines. So that will be your solution, important one, expected question. This expected question, important one. I am going to solve another 2 questions only, that will be enough. Because 1 question definitely for 5 marks they are going to ask. 5 marks definite question. Another 1 more question I am going to explain. 2 questions I will explain. With this I can complete the linear inequalities topic. See now. Solve the following system of inequality graphically. 2x plus y greater than or equal to 4. X plus y less than or equal to 3. 2x minus 3y greater than or equal to 6. 3 equations I should draw here. So 2x plus y greater than or equal to 4. So everything, all we should decide all the 3. 2x plus y greater than or equal to 4. So what are the points on this I can consider? When x equal to 0, x equal to y value for 0, 4, the point you can substitute. When y equal to 0, x will be 2, so 2, 0. These are the points on the line. And verify with the origin here only. For any even inequality, verify origin, because the upper half or lower half will be decided by origin. Substitute origin in this. If we substitute origin in this, 2 into 0 plus 0 greater than 4. 0 greater than 4 is false. That means other side of the origin. I will take another one. X plus y. So you see next equation I can write x plus y. X plus y less than or equal to 3. If we take these points, we will get observed here 0, 3, because x0, y3, and we will get 3, 0, including the substitute origin here to verify whether origin side or other side of the origin. Just substitute here origin here. If we substitute origin, we get an idea about this. If we substitute origin in this, I can substitute now 0 plus 0 less than 3, 0 less than 3. That is also true. This is the previous one for this is true. That means towards origin side, solution is towards origin side. And then 2x minus 3y, another equation we have 2x minus 3y less than or equal to 6. Here if you take the points, you know how to find the points. When x 0, y will be minus 2. X 0 minus 2. And when y 0, x is 3. 3, 0. 3, 0 will be the point. Correct. Again verify with the origin. When you verify with the origin, substitute origin 2 into 0, 3 into 2 into 0, 3 into 0 less than 6, 0 less than 6. That is true. Towards origin side, we get towards origin side. This is also towards origin side. Now we will draw the graph of this system of inequality. Graphically they are asking to solve this. Now you can see I can solve now. Only the lines you should draw perfectly here. Just consider this is a perpendicular line only, because I am doing rough diagram. You should draw a graph on the graph sheet perfectly. Consider this is origin, x-axis, and I can consider 0 minus 2 1 point is here. You can see here the first one. You can consider 0, 4, 2, 0. All including equalities are there, including dark line we should draw. 0, 4, 2, 0 I can draw the line. So this one 0, 4, 2, 0. 0, 4, 2, 0 I can draw line. No, because this is 2, 0 means the distance I can write. So this point I can consider 0, 4, and this will be 2, 0. This is rough diagram. You should draw perfect in the graph sheet. 2, 0 I have taken. 2, 0. Is clear. Now they want another point 0, 3, 3, 0. 0, 3, 3, 0 means you can see here another line I will get like this. You take this point is 0, 3 and 3, 0. 0, 3, 3, this is 3, 0. But you can see the above line, this is false means other side of the origin. For this one, other side of the origin means I can take it above the line, these two words like this. But the second line when I have taken 0, 3, 3, 0, when I have taken this is true means towards origin side, the solution towards origin side. This side towards origin side. Towards origin side, correct. Next, third inequality. This you see 0, minus 2, 3, 0, common point 3, 0 from this only. Another one minus 2, 0. Check that, less than or equal to 6. I have taken the point. So minus 0, minus 2, negative. 0, minus 2 means you can see here, this will come like this. You have 0, minus 2 will be minus 2 value, 3, 0. The line it will come, you can observe here. Passing through this. With this one. This rough diagram, please write down this is rough diagram. This value will be 0, minus 2. Zero minus 2 on y-axis. I have taken this point. But when I have taken it towards origin side, so above the line it comes. Above the line. Towards origin side, right. When they are talking towards origin side. So, with this line towards origin side like this. Now, what is the common area we get here? Check that what is the common area. For this line, this one, above this, satisfying all the this. What is the common area it comes? See here, this line is above, this line is below, and this line is above. So can I take, this is the common area here. This is the rough diagram, right? Can I take, you can see, satisfying this above the line, this line below the line, and this is above the line here. So can I consider this is common area here? Should be careful when you are doing this. Understood this? I can take it any other color, I will take it. Correct. This will be the solution region, required solution region. Satisfying all the three inequalities. The shaded is the solution region, including the points on the lines. But I can take it only here, these points. The shade is the solution region. Above the line. We got that above the line also, correct. I have taken the line and drawn that. It's clear. The shade is the solution, including the points on the line. The shade is the solution region, including the points on the line I can draw. It's clear. You can verify that what I have drawn here, above the line. Satisfying all the inequalities. So you can write, scale should import, that is scale is important, you should write the scale. Whatever scale you are taking, you write the scale. Always you should write scale. In the graph sheet, write everyone should scale. Important scale you should write. And you can write the shaded is the solution region. The shaded region is the solution region solution including the points on the line. Solution including the points on the line. Including the points on the line. The points on the lines. With this we have completed the solution about this. If anyone have doubt, please ask me. I can explain again. I'm going to explain one more problem. With this, I'm going to complete the session. The last problem. With this, I'm going to complete the session. The last problem, the topic will be completed. It is another less than 5 minutes. Solve the inequalities graphically. X plus 2y less than or equal to 8. 2x plus y less than or equal to 8. X greater than or equal to 0. Y greater than or equal to 0. First you take x plus 2y less than or equal to 8. When I have taken this, the point you can find the point when x equal to 0. Y value 4, 0, 4. One point is 0, 4. How do you know that? Always find the points on the axis. When 0, 4, the point should be on y axis. Similarly, find the point on x axis. When y is 0, x value, when y is 0, x value 8. So this will be 8, 0. These are the 2 points. Verify towards origin side, other side of the origin. Then use substitute in this or 0 plus 2 into 0 less than 8. 0 less than 8. This is true. That means the solution region of this inequality is towards origin side. Towards origin side. You can decide towards our origin side. Now I can verify the second one. See, another one I have taken 2x plus y. 2x plus y. This is less than or equal to 8. 2x plus y less than or equal to 8. If you take this point, the points it comes now. See, the points will be, I can write y0 means x will be correct. Y0 means I can write x0. X0 means y is equal to 8. 0, 8. And y0 means x will be 4. 4, 0. Substitute origin, whether origin lies at 2 into 0 plus 0 less than 8. 0 less than 8. That is also true. But that is true means towards origin side. Towards origin side. X greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0 means positive x axis, positive y axis. Now you can draw the graph now. I can draw the graph. This is y, origin. Now you can see here, first one, 0480. 0480 means I can consider this is 8004. Including equality is there. I can draw including the line. I can draw including the line. 0480. I can draw like this somewhere because it becomes 08, 0. I have taken this one. I have taken x-axis here. Like this I have drawn like this, correct? Now you can think this point. This point is 8, 0 and this point is 0, 4. The first line. I have drawn the first line. You see here, this is towards origin side. Solution towards origin side I can consider. Towards origin side, the solution region. 2x plus y less than or equal to 8. You can see here 0840. 0 means it will go up here. 08 and 408 comes. This will be 40. Okay, try to understand. I'm doing rough diagram only. So we can 040 because this is the 08 means it will be on y axis. The point somewhere here. I should extend the line. Should be careful here. I can draw the line like this. So this will be 0, 8. Rough diagram, please try to understand. I am doing rough diagram only. This is y-axis. This point I have taken, this point is 0, 8 and this point is 4, 0. Here also towards origin side is true. So I can write this one. Towards origin side I can consider the solution region towards origin side. Towards origin side. When towards origin side, satisfying both inequalities, x greater than or equal to 0. X greater than or equal to 0 means this is x greater than or equal to 0. Y greater than or equal to 0 means this one above the line. Like this. Finally, the solution region will come satisfying all this. We will get, you can see here, I can draw, this is the solution region. This is the solution region. The shaded region in between. The lines. Important, always remember, you should not forget about to write this one scale. Otherwise you lose 1 mark. Between the lines, these are rough diagrams of this somewhat is going, but in between the lines only. This is a shaded region. The green line you are not able to see means you can observe that. This is the shaded region between this green line and that line. You can also think about that line. With the line we have. This green line, this is a shaded region. I can say here, for example, OA, BC. Some points are taken, OA, BC. The shaded region OA, B is the solution region. Don't forget, write on the scale what you are considering scale. Or as per your graph sheet you can write. Here I am taking scale is on both the axes. On both the axes I have taken 1 centimeter equal to 1 U. 1 centimeter, 1 unit I have taken. Scale is important. You should write scale. On both the axes I have taken scale. 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit I have taken. This is 1 centimeter. Equal to 1 unit on both the axes. You clearly should write what is the scale you have taken on x-axis, on y-axis you should represent. That is important. You write now. The shaded is the solution region. The shaded region is the solution region, including the points on the line. The shaded region is the solution region. Definitely 5 marks question. The shaded region is the solution region. Including the points on the line. Including the points on the lines. That is your answer. I think you can try this fourth one similarly. This is enough. Fourth one, you can try this problem, solve the linear graphically. 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 60, x plus 3y less than or equal to 30, x greater than y greater than or equal to 0. You can try this. Definitely they are going to have this type of problems and they are going to ask. You can try this. Similarly, you can try this. 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 60, x plus 3y less than or equal to 30, x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to. You can also try this. I am giving, you can do work. You try this problem. Fourth one, you try this. So with this, I am going to complete today's session. I hope you understood this. You can try this. If you are not getting, you can ask me. Next class, if you want, I can explain. The next session, if you want, I can explain. The last problem, you can try that problem. So these are the problems. Definitely, they are going to ask for 2 marks question and 1 5 marks question. Sometimes they may ask for 1 mark question also. Because they are giving more choice, they may ask for 1 mark question also. This is enough. This is 1 hour session. If you revise, for you it takes only around half an hour to 40 minutes to revise. Quickly you revise these problems. Definitely you can answer, maximum marks you can answer in this topic, no doubt. If you like the session, please like it. If you are happy with the session, please like the session. Then see you in the next class tomorrow. I am going to take new topic I will take. So linear inequalities I have completed today. It's over. Tomorrow I will take new topic. I will start new topic tomorrow. Tomorrow evening 6 o'clock we will meet and I will take new topic. Still I should complete, I think conic section I should complete. Binomial theorem, conic section, statistics is there, and probability is there. Probability, permutation, combinations. 5 more chapters are there. I will complete as early as possible this coming week. Maybe I will try to take 2 sessions also. I will complete. Within quickly we will complete your session, okay? Fine then. See you in the next class. See you tomorrow. Fine then. Good. Follow the class notes perfectly. Practice again and again. You will be thorough with this. Good. If you understood, please like the session. Fine.